Are you recording? What's up, Gas fam? My name is Dylan and welcome to Gas Start. So today I brought you guys my very own 2012 Golf 6R. So I've been speaking about my car in the previous videos and I didn't have the privilege to actually show you guys what I've been working with. So I took some time out and I want to showcase my ride and I want you guys to actually see what I've been working on. So without further ado, stay tuned and let's get gassed.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Okay, so let me tell you guys a little bit more what I've done motor-wise. So as you guys can see, it still looks pretty much stock standard. I've been working along with Ryan Pereira from RPM Motors and also with Stealth Tune Cape Town. So currently what we're running on this car is a Stage 2 Stealth software on here, and then we've got a Stealth Atom fully cold air intake on here, and then we've also got a GBV DV in here. We are far from done. The next mod that we're looking at is getting the high pressure fuel pump, and then obviously after that we're doing the intercooler. It's still in work in progress. We take it every step that we can, but yeah, other than that, as you guys can see, it is still pretty much stock standard. As you guys can see, we have kitted the car out front wise to just look the part. So we put on a fully custom lip on here, and then at the back, I'll actually show you guys now. At the back we've got a back diffuser, and then I've got the 101mm exhaust tips. This car has a downpipe, decat and full exhaust on it. I still have the back box on the car, and like I mentioned, we've went with a 101mm tips on the car. Also it has that color, that blue color coated color on it, just to fit the color scheme of the car.
got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Keep you.
Cool. So other than that, you guys heard my story with my car. Now you guys won't be in the dark when I do mention it. So yeah, like I said, stay tuned because we are far from done with this car. There's still a lot more to come. Also, yeah, don't forget to give Stealth Tune and RPM, give them a follow on Instagram, check out their work. They are incredible with what they're currently doing. Also, software wise, you know, Ryan and them are your people to go to. And also another big thank you to Mint Wrapworks. If you guys need any wrapping done to any sorts of, if it's a vehicle, if it's a boat, if it's a bike, whatever you might need, give them a shout. I will actually leave I'll leave the information at the bottom below, so you guys can just give them a shout. I'll also leave Ryan and them's contact details and everything in the description below. And then yeah, don't forget to follow the Gassed Out Instagram page. That is Gassed Out SA. I'll leave it here at the bottom below. And then also, yeah, give Mint Wrapworks also a follow on Instagram and stay tuned with what they're currently working with. So that is my time with you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go check out my other content. There's still a lot more to come, so stay tuned. Remember to click the little bell to get notified for all my videos coming up. Stay tuned for a lot more to come. And yeah, without further ado, stay gassed.